Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to see people who has access in Google Drive. So for example, here is my Google Drive, and then I want to find out who has access into this file in Google Drive. I'm going to show you how. So first, you don't need to open the file. You could just need to right click on the file, and then you'll find the share options right here. And when you click this, okay, so you can see there these are the list of people who has or people with access in the file on the Google Drive. Okay, that's so easy. And when you're done, you can just click on done here. Okay, so that's so easy, right? That's all for me. That is how you can see people who has access in Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you get any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if you think this video is good, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.